So Ryobi finally designed an accessory storage system for the good old drills and impacts that they offer, and this is considered the rail system. So we are going to check this out today, and I'm pretty excited because I actually designed my own that was pretty similar to this, but I never released it because, well, I just didn't have time. I have a lot of kids. Now you can buy this at the good old Home Depot for $15. All right, so how I think this goes is this goes right over top, just like this. These two screws go one here, one over here, and then this is the rail, and I suppose all we need to do is just slide this on, right? Okay, so it's on. That's pretty easy. And we're going to slide this one on. And that's it. It's on. So you can hold 4 bits over here. And, oh, this is different. All right, so this isn't like the pinch point. This is actually magnetic, so it holds it in from this magnet. And then if you want to throw some bits on, you can throw them there too. It's actually really nice. And then this one, you can just throw stuff on there. But in our situation, it's on a battery, what we're going to do is we have some 2-inch screws. We got to put a board on the wall. It has like an anchoring system. We need 6 screws for that. And let's see if we can get all of our screws. So we need 6 screws for what we're using. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 6 there. Just try and fit everything on here at one time. And this is pretty realistic because this is exactly what I would use. All right, so not bad. Let's go try this bad boy out. Alright, so that's it for the rail system. Listen, I screwed it in the front, I screwed it from the side, I even screwed it from upside down, and look at this. Nothing's falling off, no bits. I think for the value, for how much it cost, this is actually really good, and I didn't even show you this. Storage mode, tight space mode, whatever you want to call it, but I really do like this, and if you need to, while it's here, you can throw stuff on the back side too, as well as, like you saw before, throw it right here. Anyways, if you all like this, go check out Home Depot for short money for something that's really valuable. I really do like it. Life free and tool on. This is Brent. Get out there. Go try something new. Make your mistakes. Pass on your solutions to the next generation. And I think we'll all be better for it at the end of the day. And I can't wait to see you all in the next video. Take care.